Welcome back to another brand new video by The Random Technology. So, hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. So today's topic, yes, today's topic is also a random topic. If you are an old viewer, you will be knowing that from some time we are making videos on random topic and giving you information about that. So today's random topic is this one. This is today's random topic, and on this whole video is based.
So guys, I have a trust on you that you will like this video because it is gonna be insane. So guys, that this AR roller works on the basis of augmented reality, and this video is gonna be too much interesting. And we also made the videos of the AR glasses and AR headsets in the random technology, so you will get that in the I button and you can see it. So guys, now let us open the Play Store and see that how it works. Firstly, this would need some means permissions to open, means it would need permission of camera and other stuff. So firstly, you have to search measure, and the first one will be of Google, and you have to see that. Let me show you the logo. This is the logo of that, and this is amazing because it gives you too much good things to measure it. So now let us open it, but firstly you can see some that, and let us see some specifications by its images only. So let me show you that it is opening. So you can measure height of anything by this: height, length, breadth, and some good stuff. You can measure in feet, inches, and you can click pics also. You can change the means the measuring system, the system of measurement. So now let's open it. So firstly, the white balls show you means that it has scanned it. If it has not scanned, so it would show means not show the white balls. And firstly, you have to means when the yellow part this yellow part becomes, means it becomes yellowy, this round part. So you have to click the start a new measurement, that is plus button. So it would take, and in whichever direction you want you can take it, and it would measure very accurately. So then you tick the tick button, so it would get finished off. So now let us measure off the map that I have. So firstly, the means the breadth is around 43 centimeters, and now let us measure the length. So the length is about 67 centimeters. Now I also means it has shown, but something has gone wrong because as I have clicked, so it is going, but it is awesome. As like me, it is awesome because it is too much good app that I have saw for measuring. So now let us do on this another map by this. So justly I am means measuring the breadth. Now let us see about length. So how much is length? The perfect length is about 58 centimeters, but still it can get accurate. Now let us means it is the length. Now let us check its diagonal. So diagonal is also about 73 centimeters. So you can also change the unit, so it would be in feet to inch, then it would be in just inch. And I like the meter and centimeter one because as I know this, so I do that. And you can draw some figures and some another good means. So now let us do with the another map, and you can means, yeah, I have measured the breadth. Now let me click the picture of it. So you can click it and it would be saved in the device means or in the gallery. By this, it is a very good app. And now I am means drawing it, and I am drawing a figure. So you can draw like this any figure, and if you want to show some dimensions, so you can show it. Really a very good app by Google. In white area it would not means scan, you need some texture, it would give like that. And by this means you can measure also the height of it, but it was in by this part in the map part. So now let us see another one. If you have not followed us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, so you can follow us there. The links are given in the description box below. So I am measuring means you can measure in any direction. It is also 3-dimensional means image you can click out. And subscribe us and watch the video till the end, because if you watch the video till the end we can only get some good watch hours, and our channel will get monetized, and we will be able to make another means very much good videos. So now guys, this is the end of the video, and please subscribe us if you haven't, and comment down below that how you like the app and like us.
So guys, this was the conclusion of this video, and if you like the video, make sure you press that like button. I don't know how you will press, if you'll punch it, just hit it or slap it, but we want that like button to be blue. Means its color should turn from grey to blue. And if you are new to your channel, then what to do? Yes, make sure to subscribe our channel. So, and after subscribing you should turn on that notification bell, otherwise you will not get all the notification. And if you are on Twitter, Telegram or Instagram, or if you are on any one of them, make sure to follow us there, and the links will be in the description box below. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.